Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 711. Okay, so here we are in Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. By the way, new icon here for the investing tab. Got a little stock chart and a Bitcoin. So pretty cool little change there. Got stocks and Bitcoin up at the top. We want to be on Bitcoin. So currently taking a little bit of a dive, down over 11% today. Let's zoom out a little bit here, see what might be happening. You know, we're up 70% on the month, so that's a lot. I think around 42,000, 41 to 42,000. Dropped back down. It was like over 35% drop. Came back up. Didn't break the all-time high and it's starting to go down again. So will it consolidate in this zone before a new rise, or does it need to correct more? I don't know, but probably one of those two things will happen and then it will go up again. A lot of this is just scared people selling. You know, they bought in this zone, then it starts to go down and they don't know what Bitcoin is. They just hear, oh, invest in Bitcoin, and then they're scared and they sell, and that's a lot of what's happening in this zone. Like big companies that are buying, big investors that are buying long term, like they're not selling during this. So just a little bit of perspective there. If you're not an experienced trader, I don't recommend trying to time the markets, buy and sell. You'll probably just end up with less Bitcoin in the long run. Dude, no, stop. So let's scroll down here, take a look at the news. Biden's 1.9 trillion plan. So there might be another stimulus thing coming. That could be good news. Miami mayor wants to put some of the city's treasury reserves into Bitcoin. That's dope. I saw one the other day too. Gemini acquires Blockrise, launching a credit card with up to 3% rewards in Bitcoin. So that's interesting. I think Gemini is somehow associated with BlockFi as well. So I don't know how that relationship works, but could be interesting. These Bitcoin-backed credit cards are definitely going to be a big thing in 2021. So Bitcoin owned 0.08371. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm. Just like that, we've added a little bit more Bitcoin, another $1 worth. Scroll down and see my balance now, 0.083743. So just adding a little bit there. We've also been earning a little bit with the Cash App card, so you guys can get this. I have videos on my channel where you can learn all about it. Click Add Boost and you can get these Bitcoin backed discounts. So I'm just doing normal purchases with those. Getting just a little bit back. That'll help cover some of these 3% fees that we have on buys and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $2,949, 2,949 divided by 711 days equals a 4.14x on my investment. So obviously doing really well. What that means is for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.14. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. We're just going to keep dollar cost averaging until the end of time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.